How to add any music to queue on Spotify. So first thing guys, all what you have to do is go to Spotify. Now this is the home page as you can see. Let's just choose any music to show you how to do it. Now all what you have to do is go to the music that you want to add, and now this is my music. All what you have to do is go to the top corner right here on those three dots and click on them like this, and you will find right here add to queue. Click on it and it's added to my queue, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next one.